Hey everyone, welcome to Travel World. I'm Emily, and I am back with another incredible travel guide. Today we are exploring Barcelona and what you can do there with your children. Barcelona is an absolute dream destination for families, jam-packed with things to see and do that are sure to keep those little smiles beaming. We are talking amazing architecture, beaches, zoos, and enough child-friendly activities to fill a year's worth of weekends. So let's get started, because I have curated a list of 10 top child-friendly spots in Barcelona that you absolutely cannot miss. Get ready for an unforgettable family adventure as we explore the best of what Barcelona has to offer. First up on our epic Barcelona adventure is a spot that is guaranteed to ignite those curious minds, the one and only Cosmo-Caixa Science Museum. This place is an absolute wonderland for children and adults alike, packed with interactive exhibits that make learning a total blast. We are talking about a place where you can touch a real-life tornado, journey through an Amazon rainforest, and even blast off into outer space in the tremendous planetarium. The planetarium show is an experience you won't want to miss. And the best part is that everything here is designed to be hands-on, so children can learn by doing what they do best: exploring. It is the perfect recipe for a day filled with laughter, discovery, and maybe even a little bit of learning along the way. So if you are looking for an activity that is both entertaining and educational, add Cosmo-Caixa Science Museum to your Barcelona bucket list. Your little adventurers will thank you for it. For the second place on our Barcelona adventure, we are swinging into the wild side at the Barcelona Zoo. Get ready for some unforgettable animal encounters that will leave the children roaring with excitement. From majestic lions and playful primates to graceful dolphins and slithering reptiles. The Barcelona Zoo is home to a diverse cast of creatures from all corners of the globe. You can easily spend a whole day here, wandering through the different habitats and marveling at the wonders of the animal kingdom. And the highlight for many young visitors, the adorable children's farm. Here, children can get up close and personal with some furry friends, petting gentle goats, fluffy sheep, and maybe even catching a glimpse of a playful piglet or two. It is the perfect opportunity for a hands-on animal experience they won't soon forget. So put on your explorer hats, grab your cameras, and get ready for a wild day out at the Barcelona Zoo. At number 3, strap on your safety belts, everyone, because our next stop is Tibidabo Amusement Park, a place where thrills meet incredible views. Tibidabo sits atop Tibidabo Mountain, the highest point in Barcelona, offering breathtaking panoramas of the city. Now, Tibidabo is not your average amusement park. It has a charming, old-timey feel, with classic rides like a Ferris wheel and a carousel. But don't worry, there are plenty of modern adrenaline-pumping rides too. Imagine soaring through the air on a roller coaster, the wind whipping through your hair, while the sprawling cityscape of Barcelona unfolds beneath you. It is a view you won't soon forget. And for the little ones, there are gentler rides and attractions perfect for creating magical memories. Tibidabo truly offers something for everyone, and the blend of classic charm with modern thrills, all against that incredible backdrop, makes it a must-visit for families exploring Barcelona. At number 4, we are calling all chocolate lovers. Get ready for a delicious adventure at the Barcelona Chocolate Museum. This place is a dream come true for anyone with a sweet tooth, especially the little ones. the Chocolate Museum is not just about looking at exhibits. It is also about learning about the world of chocolate. Children can participate in hands-on workshops, learning the art of chocolate making from skilled chocolatiers. They will get to create their own chocolate treats, which I'm sure they will be eager to sample. And speaking of sampling, get ready for some seriously delicious tastings. From rich dark chocolate to smooth milk chocolate and everything in between, prepare your taste buds for a journey through the wonderful world of chocolate flavors. The Barcelona Chocolate Museum is a fun and educational experience for the whole family. It is a place where you can indulge your sweet tooth, learn about the history of chocolate, and create some yummy memories along the way. For our fifth spot, get ready to be amazed by the sights, smells and tastes of La Boqueria, Barcelona's most famous market. This bustling market is a feast for the senses, overflowing with colourful fruits, fresh vegetables, seafood and so much more. Now I know what you might be thinking, a market for children, but believe me, La Boqueria is an experience unlike any other. Children will be captivated by the sheer variety and vibrant colours on display. Imagine their faces lighting up as they see towering piles of juicy strawberries, exotic fruits they have never seen before, and mountains of colourful candies. There are plenty of child-friendly food stalls offering tasty treats like fresh fruit juices, smoothies, and even small bites of local delicacies. La Boqueria is a fantastic place to introduce children to new flavours and experience the energy of a real Barcelona market. It is a sensory adventure they will not soon forget. Our sixth destination is for those who love aquariums. Get ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of marine life at the Barcelona Aquarium, a definite must-visit for any family trip to this incredible city. And this is not your average aquarium. As you step inside, you will be immediately captivated by the sheer diversity of marine creatures swimming gracefully in their meticulously designed habitats. It is like taking a magical journey through different underwater ecosystems from around the globe, all under one roof. One of the highlights of the Barcelona Aquarium is the incredible Oceanarium Tunnel. You can walk beneath a moving tapestry of sharks, rays, and countless fish, their shimmering scales catching the light as they glide effortlessly overhead. It is a truly awe-inspiring experience that will leave you breathless, especially for the little ones. And the best part, the Barcelona Aquarium is incredibly interactive. Throughout your visit, you will find engaging exhibits that allow you to learn fascinating facts about the creatures you encounter. Touch tanks offer a hands-on experience, allowing children to gently interact with starfish and other gentle sea creatures. It is both educational and tons of fun for everyone. Next up at number 7 on our Barcelona travel guide, we are stepping back in time at Poble Español, an open-air architectural museum that is like a charming Spanish village frozen in time. Get ready to wander cobblestone streets, admire beautiful architecture, and experience the heart of Spanish culture. Poble Español showcases a fascinating collection of full-scale buildings, streets and squares, each meticulously recreated to represent different regions of Spain. As you stroll through the village, you will feel like you've been transported to another era. The attention to detail is incredible. But Poble Español is more than just stunning architecture. It is a vibrant hub of Spanish culture and craftsmanship. You will find artisan workshops, where skilled craftspeople demonstrate their skills and create beautiful handmade goods. It is a fantastic opportunity to pick up unique souvenirs and support local artists. And for the little adventurers, Poble Español offers a host of child-friendly activities. From interactive exhibits that bring history to life to engaging workshops where they can try their hand at traditional crafts, there is something to spark every child's imagination. This is a fun and educational experience for the whole family. At number 8, get ready to relax and soak up the Barcelona sunshine at Parc de la Ciutadella, a sprawling green oasis in the heart of the city. This beautiful park is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle and enjoy a leisurely day with the family. As you step inside Parc de la Ciutadella, you will be greeted by lush gardens, cascading waterfalls, and charming bridges that cross over serene ponds. It is the ideal spot for a picturesque picnic lunch or a leisurely stroll along the winding paths. One of the highlights of Parc de la Ciutadella is the beautiful boating lake. Rent a rowboat or a pedal boat and enjoy a leisurely cruise across the water, taking in the scenic views of the park. It is a fun and relaxing activity for all ages. And for the little ones with boundless energy, Parc de la Ciutadella boasts fantastic playgrounds with slides, swings, and climbing frames. Let the kids run free and burn off some energy in a safe and fun environment while you sit back, relax, and soak up the sunshine. Barcelona is not just about amazing architecture and delicious food, it has a rich maritime history too. The Museu Marítim, or Maritime Museum, is a must-visit for any family with curious youngsters. Housed in a stunning medieval shipyard, the museum brings the sea to life. You can explore real-life historic ships, like a replica of a 16th century galley. Imagine pirates and explorers once walked these decks. Children will love climbing aboard, checking out the cannons and imagining themselves as brave sailors on the open ocean. The museum also has interactive exhibits that teach about navigation, shipbuilding, and the creatures of the deep. It is a fun and educational experience that will have the whole family hooked on maritime history. Plus, the museum is right by the water, so you can enjoy stunning views of the harbour. How cool is that? Ready for a break from sightseeing? Then grab your swimsuits and head to Illa Fantasia, Barcelona's awesome water park. This place is a dream come true for children and adults who love to splash and play. We are talking thrilling water slides that will have you screaming with delight. A giant wave pool where you can catch some serious waves, and lazy rivers for a more relaxing ride. There's something for everyone. Little ones will adore the kiddie areas with mini slides and splash zones, while thrill seekers can brave the park's more intense rides. And when you need a break from all the watery fun, Illa Fantasia has plenty of places to grab a bite, relax in the shade, or soak up the sun. It is the perfect way to cool off and have some family fun under the Spanish sun. And there you have it. Guys, we have come to the end of another digital tour guide where I visited some of this fabulous city. From science museums to amusement parks, from historical ships to splashing water parks, Barcelona truly has it all. We hope this video inspires you to plan an unforgettable family adventure to this vibrant city. No matter what your family enjoys, Barcelona is guaranteed to create memories that will last a lifetime. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. and leave a comment below with your favourite spot. And subscribe to Travel World for more exciting cities. It is free. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so you won't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching. It is goodbye from me, Emily. See you next time.